Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and today we will talk about 6 habits to become a successful software engineer. And these habits I did not catch from internet. I just personally feel that these habits and we need to follow these kind of things around every day, and that's why I am creating a video on it. Might be they will help you out. So let's start with the first point. Learn every day. We must have to learn every day. It's not mean that we have to learn lots of things. We can learn some things like 20 minutes or 30 minutes every day. Like, so what we can learn, we know that technology is really advanced and it will increasing rapidly, right? So we can learn new things, what coming in the market, and we can also learn that what is the next stage of our career. So let's say for now I'm a software engineer, so what is my next stage and what I can do to achieve it, right? So how I can become a team lead, or how I can become a manager or architect, and that will be suit to us. We have to learn about it, right? And we can learn new updates. So let's say you are working on a Java, so we can learn what are the upcoming changes in the Java and what are the recently changes in the Java if we are not aware to it, right? We can learn that how we can apply machine learning or it. Yes, we know that as a Java developer, we know that how we can connect with the database, how we can make simple applications and all. But how we can do the complex things, we can learn about that, like how we can achieve the machine learning with Java and all, right? And we can also learn the basic things of the other programming language also, so that we can compare that what is the difference between Java and .NET, right? So we can, if we are a student of Java, then we can learn about Node or .NET also. So we can compare our language and we can find out that how our Java is better and how other languages are better, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of both of language and all, right? After that, we must have to write some code around daily. So what kind of code we can write? So as we know, we are writing the code in our office around daily, but we should work something different from office also. Like we can learn data structure also. We can find some logical question and we can just write a small program for to answer of them, right? So that it can increase our logical skills as well as data structure, because I personally feel uh, we cannot be perfect in logical skill as well as in a data structure. So try to learn every day about data structure, logical questions, kind of things, right? And one more thing, and this is uh, about not only for beginners, and this thing will help you out in the experienced person also. Do not repeat your code, because as we are talking about the habits, this is again a habit. Some guys actually, even at experience level, they repeat the code. I want to just give you an example. So let's say you are just making an application on e-commerce. So you have to apply a discount and you have to apply this account on a 10 places. So what you will do, you will just write a block of code or your logic on a 10 places, right? And this is not actually good. Why this is not good? So let's say uh, after 2 years, the client said we should not apply this 10% discount. Now we have to apply the 15% discount. So now you need to just change the code around on 10 places. So what we can do, what can be a better solution? We can make a function for it, for applying a discount, and we can use this function on our 10 places. And whenever the requirement in change, we need to apply a change only on one place, right? And the second benefit of it, so when you are going to apply the changes on 10 things, you might be forget to apply on a one place, or you just do something wrong with the one place, so it can be carry a bug in your application. So we should not repeat our code. Next thing is, we must have to take a break around 10 or 20 minutes after 1 or 2 hours of code, right? So let's say you are stuck somewhere and your mind is totally exhausted. Your mind is not actually work because of your code is not working or bugs is not actually resolving, and there can be lots of reasons. That time, take a break, take a deep breath, talk with your friends. Just you can play a music for 5 minutes and all. After that, let's try it again, right? It will help you out in a two-way. One thing is your mind become fresh again. Second thing, you are not feeling bored and exhausted, right? So that thing. The next thing is, think before write. So when we are writing something, we must have to think that what code we are going to do, what its outcome. So is a requirement as clear to us? If requirement is not clear, please don't write the code. First, clear your requirement, what we have to make and how we can achieve it. After that, just write on the code. Otherwise, your code will become a buggy, and maybe client said this is not our requirement, or maybe your senior developer said no, we don't need to make this, we have to just kind of we can have to uh, these things and all. So just clear everything and think what you are going to write and what will be the output of it, right? It will save your time a lot. After that, as we know, we are so as a software engineer, our job is actually a sitting job, because when we are in office, we are work around 7 to 8 hours, and that time we are completely sitting on a chair. So it can be impact on our health, body health, as well as mentally health. So we must have to work out on 3 or 4 days in a week, right? So what you can do if you don't have time, so what you can do, so in a lunch time, so let's say your 1 hour is a break for lunch, just finish your lunch within 30 minutes, and for 30 minutes let's take a walk with the friends. That 30 minute will be the best for your mental and your body health, because you just have had a food, and now you can just take a walk, because it will save your time. Otherwise, what you will do in this time, you will just make a gup shop and with your friends. So utilize this time for your health. And you are working 4 hours before lunch and after 4 hours your lunch, so it will be the best time to just work out and prepare your mind and body for work. So if you still have think that any other habits we can include in our lifestyle, so you can share with us in a comment box. And thanks for watching this video.